Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up a track on Soundtrap. So follow these detailed steps to adjust the speed of a track in the Soundtrap web app. First, open your browser and navigate to soundtrap.com. Then log in with your credentials, either email, Google, or Apple. That's going to walk you right into the homepage once you're done. On the homepage, find the projects window, which is in the center, and select an existing project from the list, which I do not have, or click on Enter Studio under Start a New Project to create a new one. And that's going to walk you right into the studio where you have amazing features and options readily available for you to freestyle. That's coming up. Now, in the studio interface, you're going to see a couple of options here, two options, that's music and podcast. So go ahead and select music to create your music from scratch. In the studio interface now, look at the bottom of the screen. Have you seen the bottom of the screen? You'll find a tempo indicator next to the playback controls, which include play, stop, and record icons. Now go ahead and click on the tempo drop-down menu. Now, you're going to see that there's a numerical input field. You have this numerical input field with the plus and the minus. Okay, so in this numerical input field, it shows the current tempo, which is measured in BPM. BPM means beats per minute. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to type in a higher BPM value to speed up the track. So for example, if the current tempo is 120 BPM, which we have here, so you can increase it to 140 BPM. Now, increasing it to 140 BPM will make the track faster. So once you're done, go ahead and click on confirm, and that's it. You can see it's now set to 140. Now, on your track, just go ahead and click on the play button. That's if you have any music on ground. So just go ahead and click on the play button at the bottom to review the track at the new speed and make further adjustments to the tempo if needed by repeating the same processes that I have mentioned. Click on add new track to add the track, or import the file to import the file, and then change the tempo from here. Now, once satisfied with the new speed, go ahead and click on file, which is in the top left corner of the studio, and click on save. Of course, if you have any song, any track here, you're going to see the save as button enabled. So go ahead and click on the save as option rather than not button to save the updated version of your project. And if you want to export, which is pretty much optional, go ahead and click on export at the top right corner to download the track in MP3 or WAV format. Go ahead and click on share to share your project, and follow the prompt to collaborate or to generate a link. And that's it. You have successfully sped up your track in Soundtrap. Experiment with different tempo settings to find the perfect speed for your music. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.